Hey friends, I am here with Miss Becky of NHI, National Holistic Institute. We connected a few weeks ago about doing an interview, and I am so happy that she said yes. Miss Becky, how long have you been a massage instructor? And what made you decide, you know what, I want to help the people who are starting their journey?
Well, I've been a massage therapist for about 22 years now. It'll be 22 years in August. Worked in several different places, chiropractors, day spas, luxury spa, or I guess it would be a resort spa. From there, I just felt like I wanted to move into giving back to the community that's given me so much. One of the things I always loved about the work is the flexibility and because I had young kids at the time. So I started teaching. I saw the ad, just like everyone else from NHI, we see the ad on Instagram. It just pops up, and their marketing team is very good.
Wow.
And I was like, oh, that looks kind of interesting. Let me see. I was applying actually for a job to teach out in Studio City, and they thought it was too far away. So
that's west of here, right?
That's downtown LA. That's like Hollywood. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And the campus manager for that space was like, you know what? I love you. I want to hold on to your resume, but I do think that I couldn't trust that you would make the drive every single day, because that's a really, really tough drive. So the position opened up here at the Ontario campus, and that was back in 2022, and I've been here ever since. I love it so much.
Really?
I really do. I appreciate the students coming to me with their questions. I love seeing the little lights turn on as they're like, that makes sense. And the confidence that they start to build in themselves when they start doing things and they start getting that consistent feedback that says, I like your work, and then they start building clientele. Like it really, it kind of reinforces one of my goals, which is just, building the next generation of massage therapists, the ones that are going to replace us when we...
Right. Someday.
I mean, someday.
We still got a few years left.
Yes, absolutely. I still practice. Like I said, I am actively practicing. I still have, I would consider a full-time clientele, even though I'm here full-time as well. So, and again, that's the beauty of our industry. There is such versatility in what you can do, where you can take it. You can, as long as you have a table, you can work anywhere you want. One of my goals has always been, you know what, I want to massage on a beach somewhere, some tropical locale. I want to set the table up. I want to have the little cabana, and I want to actually give massages on a beach like that. I'm going to make it happen.
That is still a goal for you?
It is. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Okay. Absolutely. You can't do it in California, unfortunately.
From what you would know, you're
From what I understand, it is illegal to do massage on the beach. I don't know.
What about, I did not know that.
Yeah.
What about stretching? Because sometimes stretching falls, it can in certain places, certain cities.
Yeah, I think because again, the definition of stretching could be for personal training. It could be, but like an effleurage, that's massage.
Exactly. Okay. No, I was just wondering that. I did not know that. That's good info there.
Yeah.
Now, if you would be so kind to tell me about AMTA. Like, I know about AMTA. I'm a part of AMTA and all of that. But your journey to AMTA, and also Mentor of the Year.
Yeah, that was.
There's a lot of mentors out there, including myself. You got mentor. I saw that. I was like, what the heck? Can I be in third place?
That was such an honor, honestly. Like, it was unexpected, and it was a surprise. Like, just to think that the students, like, I mean that much to the students.
Right.
My journey with AMTA actually started right as soon as I got the job here at NHI. I just had one of those moments where, going through personal growth, or I'm like, I'm just going to say yes to everything, just for a while. I'm just going to say yes to every opportunity that comes my way.
Right.
And I got an email from AMTA saying that they were looking for volunteers for the California chapter. For those of you who don't know, AMTA is a professional organization that governs massage. They provide insurance. That's one of the benefits. Same thing with ABMP, and there's a couple other organizations as well.
Sure.
The AMTA specifically has chapters for each state. So these volunteers kind of take care of continuing education classes, government relation type activities for massage in their state. I applied. And I got elected as board secretary, and I did that for a couple years. Yeah, it was honestly life-changing. Like it kind of changed the whole trajectory of where I was going. And it made me realize like how much more there is still for me to do. And I love that I still have that. I'm just going to say yes to things. I applied to massage at the Olympics in 2028 here in Cali.
Really?
Oh yeah, absolutely,
Really?
absolutely.
Have you heard back from them?
No, they're still doing their collecting thing where they're getting everyone's resumes and stuff. But yeah, you can go apply to work at the Olympics.
Did you hear that, friends?
Yeah.
You can go apply to work at the Olympics. Yep. Now that's pretty.
I can send you the link. Like it's not just that. It's volunteering. It's volunteering. So just FYI, you're not going to get paid, but you get to work on world-class athletes. Like that to me is just. I love the work. There is nothing more serene for me than being in a room working on a body and connecting the. It brings me such joy.
It is great to work on athletes like that. Like I've never done the Olympics. One of my instructors way back in the day had done the Olympics a few times. Actually, our sports massage therapist, once again, way back in Vegas 20 plus years ago. But I have done Ironman contests quite a few times.
Oh, fancy.
Working there,
yep.
Not doing that. Because when I say that, people are like, you did Ironman? And I'm like, no. That is way too much swimming. That is way too much running. And so, but working on the athletes, I've done that like 4 or 5 times at least. And it's been fabulous every time.
We also have, I don't know if they did it this year. I wasn't following, but that same year, 2022, I also did the California Massage Championships. Like, that's a whole other realm. There's a little competition. Like, there is so much you can do with it.
Is that every year?
I believe so, yeah. So they have the World Massage Festival that runs the competition, right? So you can they have statewide, and then everyone in the state who wins goes to, I think it's North Carolina, to do the U.S. competition. And then whoever wins there goes to the world competition in Copenhagen. Like, it is...
I saw videos from the finals and all of that.
Right? Have you seen some of that work?
I've seen them with all kinds of tools.
It's so exciting.
Flags and everything. And a lot of movement for some of them. Yeah. And so, are you one of those types, or your type of massage that you
all
did
types
for the competition?
I did Swedish, and then I did Western combo.
Oh.
Yeah. So, but I was competing against the massage therapist for the LA Chargers.
Oh.
I was competing against him.
Okay.
And I was like,
that's good
I was like, yeah, my little, therapeutic massage is. He had like this tray full of tools, and he was like, bam, and then bam, and then he'd use a suction cup, and then he'd do some work. Like it was crazy.
Wow.
Yeah. So I was like, I'm probably not going to meet him, but that's okay. I was doing it for fun. If your work you're doing actually fills you with joy, if it is something that you are passionate about, not everyone who joins massage school is passionate about massage. Of course. They're interested in the money.
That is true.
Okay. They're interested in the flexibility of the schedule. Like I said, when I graduated from massage school, I had 3 kids under the age of 5. Oh. I had a 5-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 1-year-old. And like, I get it. But if it actually like fills you up and it brings a smile to your face, like who doesn't want to have work like that?
Exactly. And when you're filled full of joy,
Absolutely.
Guess who feels it?
Absolutely.
The client on the table.
Yeah.
So,
and it's part of what I try to teach to the students, because the students are here and they're like, this is just school. I'm like, don't look at it as school. You're on the job training. You are working toward getting the job that you need or the job that you want. Right?
Exactly.
I spend more time, we get so sidetracked, and I still remember the Mentor of the Year question. Don't worry, I got you. I'll get back there. But this is what I do during class, is because they'll ask me a question, and I take the time. Part of my role as a mentor isn't just to teach you what's on the slides or what the lesson for the day is.
Yes.
Part of it is you coming up with the questions and the possible scarcity and the things that you need in order for you to be successful. And what is it that you need to be successful? How do you figure out what you need to be successful? Self-assessment. So I'm a big proponent of, you need to know yourself before you can even get to know your clients. You need to be looking at yourself, looking at your likes, looking at your don't likes, looking at, what you need, what you don't need, and actually figuring out, oh, you know what, I'm better as a evening massage therapist than a morning massage therapist.
Yes.
That's going to tell you where you should work. You know what I'm saying? Like you have to, it's okay. That's, again, with the beauty of our work is we can create whatever it is that we want to do.
We can.
We have a lot of students here that come here for the community, right? People that come and need support, they need community, they need to be surrounded, and they need to be learning something, right?
You'll definitely get that in like a grade school, which is something that people who are interested in going to massage school, I think they should look forward to.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
When they're interviewing different schools about which school I should go to, because some people live in a place where there's like 4 different massage schools within like a 20-mile radius.
Absolutely.
So community could be something that is very important.
I think we're in one right now.
Right.
And it's, circle back to the mentor stuff. You got to do that.
No worries.
So the Mentor of the Year thing, students nominated me. And what's interesting, because full disclosure, I am still on the board. I'm the financial administrator for the California chapter. When they got the nominations from the students, our board was like, should we really? Because it looks like favoritism. And
I can see that.
Yeah, like it does. It kind of looks like, oh, well, they're just awarding their own board members.
Right.
And
did you sign off on yourself? Yeah. I win.
And I was just so I got so emotional, and because the students, that's their main goal in life, is to figure out how to get me to be emotional. It's a long story, but I usually come off as pretty like intimidating. So they're like, oh, we're going to make Miss Becky crack. Oh. No, you're not.
No, you're not.
I found out, and I was just like, I was so blown away. And I messaged the alumni chat that we have. And I was like, I don't know who did it, but whoever did it, like, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to know that my little voice means something, and that they carry it with them.
Right.
Like as a fellow mentor, you don't really stand back and look at that. You just do what you think is right at any given moment, and you try and give the best advice you can, and
you're just helping.
And it to know that like it means a lot. So I like them just a little bit.
I hear you. I totally understand what you're saying. I've been in the classroom, or let me rephrase that. I was in the classroom from 2004 all the way up until 2017.
Oh wow! Okay.
Almost full time, but plus working at all the other different places I worked at.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Like just grinding, just doing the things, right?
Right.
Yep.
So I would work at the resort and then come teach at night, or run the clinic on the weekends. So I did all those different things in multiple places, not just Southern California, Northern California. So other places as well. And you know what? You're just helping. You want to share what you have learned and the benefits of being dedicated to a craft.
Yeah.
And so they see all of that. You know, you hope they see, and most do. Most definitely see.
That's what Tracy tells us all the time. She's like, they see you. They do.
If you only had to choose one of these for the rest of your life, you couldn't.
Okay. Oh, you're giving me specifics. All right.
Yeah,
go ahead.
Oh yeah. I'm giving you specifics. I want to know what type of person you are.
Okay.
Your dessert for the rest of your life.
Okay.
Cookies or cakes? You can have 18 different kind of cookies or 18 different kind of cakes.